Alright. So, it's Mike's birthday. 1 minute.
1 minute, boys.
Let's go, boys. Are up.
Number 20, eh?
Number 20. Big 2-0.
Point. Oh, on his knees.
He'll send her back.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Kyle.
This is for you, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go.
This is for
Holy
me.
fuck, your vagina's growing as you're drinking it.
Holy fuck, is that piss?
Oh, that's my piss. Tastes the same though, don't worry.
Hell yeah!
Piss out Coors Light, trust me.
That's
Fill their fucking bottles for them.
I just drank yours piss.
Oh,
Coors Light is straight piss. I don't know why Kyle drinks that shit. Why do you drink that shit?
That's all I got.
Jason, I'm drunk and you're not.
That's all I got, buddy.
I mean, if it's all you got. It's got liquor in it. Might as well drink it.
Might as well send it.
Might as well. There's no other reason. Yeah. I won't drink it. Even Jason has
What do you want, Kyle? Vodka, whiskey, malt liquor, or beer?
Water.
Very much this weekend.
That's not a drink.
I didn't say
Freezer.
Fuck bought 4 of these.
I
bought
bought
2 and he bought 2.
I bought 2.
Roast. Don't
We were
lower
gonna take
yourself.
them.
I'm gonna send. I'm gonna do.
Edward 40
You know
hands.
what?
Edward 40 hands tomorrow, buddy.
I'm gonna
Mike,
save those.
Tomorrow, Edward 40
I'm
hands.
telling you.
On your birthday.
Dude, Jacob.
Pretty much
What?
drink.
I'll buy you one.
I'm telling you, we're gonna
This
send
is
them.
greasy.
And take-
I'll buy you a better one. I'll buy you a better beer. A better big beer. Yeah, a huge Corona bottle.
You're gonna take a sip and say it's disgusting.
Is this yours?
Kyle,
I don't care.
please God, drink
Let
that
go.
fucking Coors Light.
Open it.
Oh, he grabbed it.
Fucking
Beauty.
open it. You
fucking
gotta-
open
you
her
gotta
up now.
I won't open her.
Fucking send her back, buddy. Dude, what are you doing?
Hang on. You gotta drink it now.
No! No!
Fucking God. Get her to the lips.
Look at the camera.
Let her know how she tastes, buddy. Let me know how she tastes.
Fuck.
I got him.
I'm already telling you, girl. Come on, do it for the 300. Do it. It'll fix itself if you drink that beer.
I'll put that one back in the fridge.
He's gonna
I'll
puke,
put it out. It's
man.
gonna go flat.
Unopened
Jacob.
one. Unopened. You gotta drink
Jacob, this kid's gonna
You
puke.
gotta drink that one.
As long as you get drunk.
Now he's double fisted.
This will be the end of
Oh my
me.
god, big time.
Oh.
Send her back. Send one of them back.
Oh.
At least drink one of them.
I got him big time.
Okay, fucking God.
We got a big glass. Wait, get a pot.
No.
Hey.
Oh!
Oh!
We just can't break
Toss
it.
them in there.
Can't break it.
Well, don't fucking.
No, I got you. We'll do it at the same time. Actually, tilt it so it doesn't get foamy as fuck.
Tilt
Yeah.
it what way?
No, tilt. Yeah, there you go.
I'm sorry.
Kyle, you're
boys.
drinking the whole. You're drinking the pitcher, Kyle. You're drinking the pitcher.
Drinking the pitcher. boy.
I can fire it open.
picture is full of beers.
Got him. Ha! Got him.
Fuck you, boys. I hate you.
Fucking
These nuts.
Yo, yo. Yo. This is heavy. Feel how heavy this is. Feel
Oh,
it.
is that all the beer?
It's glass.
Is that all
Oh
the
shit,
beer
it
you
is.
got?
It is.
Send her back there, gym lady.
I
Send her back. Like you and Randy got fucking rehearsals for the community play. Oh yeah. Come on,
I
Kyle.
wouldn't chug them. I wouldn't chug them.
Give her a good sip though.
Definitely, yeah, definitely a good sip. Don't
Oh, there you go, buddy.
He's gonna do the
You're
full
doing
thing.
good.
He's gonna do the full
You're
thing.
doing good. Another one. One more.
Okay,
One more.
no,
You'll be okay in one more. She's not even fucking empty. Who doesn't fucking?
Okay, no, I don't want
drink her.
yak.
You
I
can
don't
drink
want
her.
any yak.
Kyle.
Yeah.
He's gonna drink the whole thing. I guarantee it.
It tastes like shit too. What the fuck is Coors?
You should have seen how much fucking vodka I had in there.
Okay, you should see. You know what?
My God.
Holy.
Yeah, Kyle. Kyle's gonna be, when Kyle gets drunk, it's the most fun ever. Except when he pukes, then he's dead. we're not calling any Ubers.
Hey, look at this. You got a Coors on there, buddy. We're just trying to do a little laundry, well, or not a little laundry.
Hey, what's in that can, Mike?
Oh,
I already know two
one is
people are
empty.
gonna die tonight.
Who's two gonna die?
Jacob and Kyle.
Hi, man.
Sometimes when I
You know
wake
what?
up and I hear puking,
I'm
he's like,
accepting. I'm accepting death.
Simmer down.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
drinking this. I'm drinking this. Drink a beer, Jason. Chill
I
out.
have my Ryan Coke, buddy.
Yeah, you taking fucking one sip. I can see it from here.
Have a can. I'm over it. I'm not feeling it.
That was maybe
Oh,
two.
he's not
brings
feeling
it back.
Feel it already.
Holy fuck, we're all drunk.
Not that one.
Good. Kyle, you actually polished that off almost. You're a beauty.
Dude, he's gonna be so drunk,
That's the
dude.
Good
greatest
job,
birthday-
Kyle.
That's the best birthday present I could have.
He's gonna puke.
No, I'm not.
That's a fucking even better birthday present, I'll tell you what.
What do you want?
I think on the Corona's hard.
So you want more of them or no?
I don't know.
What do you want?
Never again, boys.
Oh, hammer!
We're all hammered.
It really did happen.
It's my birthday, boys!
It was a fucking Mike's birthday miracle. We all
Can't believe how many
drunk.
drinks.
Drink
Cheers.
to that.
Look at that fucking tower going on.
Mike, you can't fucking
That's like
not
90
fulfill the
beers.
prophecy.
What's the prophecy?
That every beer you touch on the vlog, it gets polished off.
Don't do it.
He's gonna uke. He's gonna be dead like Kyle was.
Alright.
On the grease.
We'll give you a break. We'll give you a break.
Okay. First
I'll chug
off,
all 40. I'll give
it's a
you
greasy night. Second off, look at this greasy beer. Look, that is not a normal beer. That is an 8%.
She's not
Oh, hang on.
typical things right here.
Typical thing.
But she is.
But hang on,
8%.
that's an 8% beer. That's not a normal beer. That's like 2 times a normal beer.
I know it
I
is.
can't just fucking fire a full pint back
But you
into
can't
it.
shotgun that. 'cause
That's
it's
2
black.
times the normal
That's
beer.
3 beers and 2 times the alcohol percentage. So that's like 6.
It's like a 6-pack right in one bottle. $7. Good deal. $7, good deal. If you ever want to get drunk, that's the deal right there.
Drunk on a
Old
budget.
Old English 800. That is the deal. $7. That'll get you hammered.
Boys.
One drink all night.
One drink all night. Drink that whole thing. Fucking one night, you'll get fucking drunk. I'll tell you.
And Mike fucking drank this one night plus a bunch of other shit.
I'm not saying 1 o'clock till you puke.
It's my
I'm saying 1
birthday,
o'clock.
boys. What can I say?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm saucy, boys. I need water. Mike needs water too. We're all saucy over
The
here.
trick is drinking water at the same
Sometimes
time.
when you pull out the camera, I'm just like, I don't even know if this is gonna be it, 'cause the boys are pretty fucking drunk, not gonna lie.
Wait, what?
I said, sometimes when you pull out the camera, I'm like, holy fuck, the boys are drunk. I don't know what we're gonna say, what we're gonna do.
Could be
It's crazy.
fucked.
It could be fucked.
You just end there,
Like,
buddy.
except it's fuckered.
I ended.
Chip-
I edited
the
out
chip's
the
been
fuck shit.
fuckered.
I edited out the way too fuck
It's true,
shit.
buddy. You can throw this in if you want.
I was fucking hammered, boys.
Let's
You
be
want to
honest.
chug an old English?
I wouldn't recommend it. It's pretty
No.
greasy.
You trying to get me in
Okay,
the
let me
back?
talk to the boys. Let me talk to the boys.
Talk to
That's
boys.
as
Boys,
greasy as she gets right there.
Don't chug an
$7
old
for
English. That
fucking
shit
one
is
I just want an
gonna
old
be
one to
the
see if I can
greasiest
actually-
beer you've ever drank in your whole goddamn life. You can drink IPAs, you can drink Miller Lite, you can drink fucking Bud Light, and still, old
Busch
English.
Lights. You can drink Busch
You can drink
Lights.
Busch Lights,
many beers
but
do you
still, old English will be the
Yeah, but
greasiest beer you will ever fucking drink. But still, we're drinking it.
I've never drank an old English, but I saw fucking Mike drinking her, and
It's not good.
did not look like a
I
good
didn't,
time.
I didn't yak yet, but it's coming. It'll probably
It's
come.
not coming.
Okay, it's
You're
not coming. We're
gonna
We
live.
can't. I can't yak on my birthday.
I'll try another.
I can't.
I'll try another night when we're at home.
Try it right
Keep just
tonight.
without a-
I can't yak on my birthday.
Sister, what do you have to say?
If you
What do
yak
you
on
have
your
to say?
birthday, it's alright.
Is it?
If you yak on your birthday, no one's gonna fucking.
Nah, you don't want to yak.
Okay.
My stomach's hurting, boy.
A guy can't yak. A guy can't yak on his own birthday.
I don't.
A guy can drink a lot, but he can't yak on his own birthday. That just makes
It's also a shitty feeling when you're.
that just ruins
dizzy
it.
as
Hey,
fuck.
guess what, boys? Dope 240 edit coming tomorrow. It's gonna be sick as fuck. All right, we're gonna keep drinking, but we're not gonna show you because we're gonna be drunk as fuck. We'll show you later, boys. Dope 240 edit tomorrow. You'll see it. Don't worry, she's out here right in the woods. You probably can't see that shit, but it's out there.
Up here mint though, eh?
She's out here, and you're gonna see it.
Oh my God.
We got 6 minutes on this card. We gotta hurry. We gotta use this card wisely. 6.5 minutes on this one.
I'll stand right
All right,
here, buddy.
we're going for a car wash and then we're shooting an edit. We'll take you along.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Jacob?
Just cruising, buddy.
What are we doing today?
We're going to Port Elgin to. I think we're going to get a car wash, maybe a couple other things, and we're going to the beach.
We're working on the edit. We got a nice wash into us. What do you think, boys? Lunch break?
Lunch break.
Lunch
Where are we
break.
going for lunch? What are we doing?
Some greasy fish and chips.
Happy birthday, buddy. Hope you like your beer. Hope you drink
Happy
it.
birthday, pussy.
Yeah, we got some beer. The boys bought me a 2 for. It's gonna be delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Banquets, baby. Pizza time. Jason's getting there. We got the, what do we get?
Like from our Saturday night send video. Pineapple bacon, half pepperoni, 2 dipping sauces.
2 dipping sauces, not one.
I don't think
baby.
we actually
Two.
got
I don't know if we got
dipping
dips, but you don't need dipping sauce because we got dirty 5 cheese stuffed crust. Let's go, boys.
Hello. Very nasty.
Oh yeah. Hello.
What's the math here, boys? He's good at math. It is like greasy, I told you.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
What the fuck?
It fucking explodes with cheese.
I don't think they know how to make it.
That's what I'm saying, it's fucking gross.
I don't think they know how to make it. Oh. Brutal.
Alright.
Some fucking seagull's gonna have a nice lunch with that.
Oh, fuck he is.
Oh, it's way too hot to eat.
No, let's just chill for a minute.
Yeah.
I think I got some dirt on the
Decent
pizza.
amount of pepperoni on there, though, that's for sure.
Yeah, you'll live. No, that's just seasoning, buddy.
It's crunchy.
Seasoning, pepper.
Jesus.
He is warm.
This will get you going after a sun, boys.
True.
I'm on a piece of pepperoni.
We're fucking dripping.
I don't know how the fuck to pick this up.
Can I split it for you?
Oh yeah, bro.
You just grab me a double.
Just break it off.
What are you doing? Grab this cheese.
This cheese is flopping around. Kind of gross how they spray butter.
Get her took a fast piece.
Ooh, that's hot. Kyle, that's margarine.
We'll
on
take a
the
little
crust.
one so it's even.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna fucking die now.
Oh no. It's plastic, boys.
It's plastic.
So good.
I breathe in enough of that shit.
When?
Working at egg. Hey, Jason.
And we're back, guys.
My hard parking on the beach. Adam, where are you getting gas now?
Kyle's got his fucking gimbal going.
Double vlog.
Going for it, double vlog. Fuck off, you seagulls trying to eat my fucking food.
Over here.
Oh yeah.
This entrance.
Just pull out and then give her some gas, bud. Good. Oh, we're going left? Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hell yeah, boys! How was the sun?
That was pretty loud.
She's going. She's going.
How?
He doesn't even know how to use his own camera.
It wasn't working for me.
It was like beep beep beep, and then it was like fuck you.
He was like, beep, 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 fuck you, but for me,
Yo, give me playing some.
Alright, so don't forget about going in the right lane. I got some
Yo,
dope
Mike,
rollers.
sure.
Get this in the footage, bud.
Oh yeah, FR Legends. FR Legends.
boys, if you haven't played this game, download it. It's the best drifting game on the market right now.
Mr. Car Guy back here, fucking stall this BMW, Mr. Big Shot V8. How do you think about that, buddy? Fucking stall this BMW.
No, you can stall a V8.
I didn't know you could stall a V8 either.
For the beach, boys?
Right for the beach.
Ready for the fucking beach. Are you jumping right in, buddy?
Probably not.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yeah, sure.
I like that tune. That's a solid tune. I'm glad you showed me that.
Listen to his
Cranker, bro. This is what the vid's gonna be too. It's gonna be dirty. Right, Mike?
I don't know where I'm going. Are we going to the beach?
Well, turn right. Just go to the downtown part. I gotta film a part down there. And then we'll work our way in. Okay?
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes editing.
He's not looking the greatest, boy.
We're working on the gimbal. She's being a little fucky right now.
Yeah. Look at this shit. Look at.
Look at that. It's not supposed to be doing that.
Oh. Still getting used to it though.
Yeah. It's new technology.
For me. Yeah.
It's new to me. Look at the yacht over there. Can we get a zoom going? Oh yeah. Look at that yacht slammed on the beach. Look at the zoom on this camera. Decent. Top down, baby. Double vlog.
Well, boys, right now we're at the beach. We're throwing some rocks at the greasy beach chickens over there. We got all the boys here. We're filming an edit for Mike's car.
I'm a dumbass and I fucked up all the first part of the filming, so now we're about to fix her up. Yeah, we're going to
We got a Miata in her natural habitat. Right, Jason? Hell yeah.
You want to do it on this side of the road now, though?
What are we saying?
We can. I just gotta... I wanted those garbage cans and shit in the background.
Garbage cans in the back?
Those greasy beach
The greasy porta
chickens.
potties?
Those are greasy
No,
too.
There's like
there's a
different
good,
colored fucking...
there's a good background for you. The greasy porta potties.
I want
No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
I don't want no greasy porta potties. You could just run in the road.
Stance, bro.
Oh shit, Yoder.
I am a gimbal. I am a gimbal.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Fixer boys. The boys cleaned up again today.
Yeah.
So we're all
boys.
ready to go. Leaving our beauty house.
What?
Leaving our beauty house.
I know. But we're not done yet.
Nope. Still got some.
5 more days. I'm done. Jason. He's going to Vegas.
Go to Vegas,
The only guy here that can go to Vegas and actually have a good time right now.
What's that mean?
Oh, he's 21.
Oh, true. What do you think Siska is? A little saucy?
He's probably cranked like 7 or 8 beers. I don't even know. No, you gotta use your own keys. Let's get smashed off your skull.
Boy, I lost my keys.
Sound.
Ready, Jason?
Sander.
It's not a fucking surgical operation.
Oh, it is. I tried. I failed. It's hard.
Fuck, that's a big hole, boy.
Alright.
Huh? I haven't done a shotgun in fucking time, boy.
Since last summer.
No, it's been sooner than that.
Get her
I've seen
down.
one.
Get her India. Feed that India.
This is the first beer since Jason's been a bitch. Well, give me a second.
Jason's not being a bitch tonight. Oh, but we're gonna be hungover as fuck tomorrow if we drink.
It looked like you were sucking a dick.
What's that funny?
Fucking boys.
Same life as him. Oh fuck. Did you use your keys for that too?
Four socks! She came! 4 socks and a coat! By the way, the Barbie's on if we're trying to make some burgers.
Hey, let's make some burgers.
Oh, am I on the fucking bird cam again? But the ball game's on, boys! Raptors, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, boys. Bergs. Okay, I need it. Yeah, get some hot dogs going too. Bergs and dogs. Boys, the old dirty old Raptors game's on. You can have a watch. Alright.
Alright boys, we got our game time munch.
Got a Raps game lunch, boys. Couple birds, couple dogs. It's gonna be geese.
Siska, those are Siska's dogs, but Siska left for the car show.
That's not actually on.
Yep. He's gonna walk all the way there and come right back.
It's a good day, boys. We had a nice car at a time. We went to the beach. Right, buddy?
Oh yeah.
We went to the beach. It was a little cold, but you know what? We made the best of it. It was a sunny day. It was beauty. The Raps won. Fuck, we're going back to Milwaukee. Game 5, 2-2. They can pull it off. But overall, that's a wrap in Sauble. We'll see you in fucking Adam's Cottage tomorrow. See you later.